So you wanna know the window tint laws in Connecticut? Listen up while I wrap up the details. Let's go. Front side glass 35%, that's clear. Backside rear, same 35, keep it near. Sedans or SUVs, same rules apply. Don't dip below that line or you're rolling out of line. Windshield strip, top A is one line. Non-offensive only, keep your view fine. No mirror tint, no metallic flash. Officers gotta see in, don't clash. Front 35, rear 35, back 35. Law stays alive. Windshield strip, ace one tip. Connecticut tint law, keep your ride legit. Film must be certified, installers know the game. Sticker on the glass makes the shade legit by name. Dual mirrors if your rear runs dark. Laws about visibility, that's the mark. Eyes too sharp, health on the line. Connecticut law leaves a space and time. Physicians form, DMV on. Visit myirx.net. First violation, fines in play. Fix a ticket's cheaper, but repeat makes you pay. Stack citations, cost goes steep. Keep your tint clean, keep your ride neat. From Hartford lanes to shoreline glow. Visibility rules everywhere you go. Officer safety, night drive too. Connecticut law is built for you. Front 35, rear 35, back 35. Law stays alive. Windshield strip is one tip. Connecticut tint law, keep your ride legit. Verified July 2025. Connecticut General Statutes 1499G. Not legal advice. Check DMV before you tint. Stay sharp. Stay safe. Front 35.